Hi, hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how to make cheesy, buttery mushroom Maggie pasta. Here I am taking butter. After that, add garlic, onions, and mushroom pieces. Now add mushrooms and fry it. Remove this curry and keep it aside. Now add water and salt. After boiling water, add pasta. Cook until it becomes soft. Now add milk and cook for a little bit. Add chili flakes, Maggie masala and mix well. Add pepper powder and herbs. Add mushrooms curry. Mix well. Add cheese and mix well. Our cheesy, buttery Maggie mushroom pasta is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.